Muhammad is an adult student. His age is 25. He is very active at his university. Muhammad studies agriculture because he wants to learn about how plants absorb water. His university is very advanced and has many activities. He admires it very much. Muhammad lives in an accommodation near the university. It is acceptable and gives him easy access to his classes. Things were very hard at the beginning, but Muhammad was able to adapt very quickly. One afternoon, Muhammad had an accident. He fell while he was on his bike, but he was able to stand up again. But during the night, he felt the pain. He almost called the ambulance. And the next day, he went to the university's administration office. They were very helpful. The administrative staff gave him some advice about his studies, and they advised him to be careful while he uses his bike across the street. Muhammad likes to act in plays because he believes that he is a good actor. He feels alive on stage. His friends accompany him to the theater. They also allow him to join them in the library. The library is a place where Muhammad spends time to address his daily studies tasks. Muhammad always watches the news to know about the weather, but he also accused them that they don't give accurate information. Muhammad saw an advertisement for a running activity, and because he is very active, he decided to add this club to his agenda. This is an additional thing for him to do, but he is afraid that he doesn't have adequate time for this because he aims to achieve many things at the university. He wants to make an achievement. Muhammad adapts to university life. He agrees with his friends that studying together is good. They make an agreement to meet every afternoon. Among other things that Muhammad is worried about is that he feels afraid of failing. He is also afraid that his monthly allowance is not adequate. Actually, he sometimes thinks that he might not be able to afford to pay for his studies at some point. However, Muhammad believes in his aims, and he doesn't believe in giving up because that's against his beliefs. He is almost always optimistic. Even when he is alone, he doesn't feel lonely. He knows he is working towards his ambition. Muhammad analyzes his lessons. He thinks about what he learns. His analysis for his studies is very accurate. Muhammad wants to make an academic research. His advisor suggests he writes a paper on the affairs of farmers. While researching, Muhammad read some ads in the university's website that highlight innovative farming techniques. These advertisements spark an idea for his paper, indicating the advantage of modern technology in agriculture. To gather more information, Muhammad asked for a meeting with an agent. The agent is from a local farming agency. The agent helped Muhammad and gave him very accurate information. The agent told Muhammad to be very careful because some farmers are aggressive and might not cooperate with him.